Hey everybody, do you have kids? Do your kids have technology? Do your kids like to use technology on road trips? Mine do, and for less than $20, I found the WANPOOL universal car headrest mount with angle adjustment clamp, commonly referred to in this video as WANPOOL mount. This mount can be used with iPads, tablets, and other devices, so I bought it. Inside the yellow box, you have three pieces. You have the strap that goes around the headrest, you have the bottom mount, and you have the top mount, which can be used to adjust the angle of your device. Depending on the headrest in your vehicle, you either wrap the strap around horizontally or vertically. The instructions prefer vertical, but either way, you just have the Velcro facing the user of the device. Once you have the strap centered on the headrest, you place the bottom mounting piece at the bottom of the strap. Next, you're going to take your device in one hand and with the other hand place the top mounting bracket on top of the device, making sure that the top bracket has an inch or two of an angle. Now with the top of the device angled towards you, place the bottom of the device in the bottom mount and push down. You should be stretching out the Velcro just a little bit. Now just push back with the top mount to secure it to the strap. To remove the device, just press your thumbs up against the top mounting bracket until it rolls over the top of the device and pull your device out. At that point, your WANPOOL mount is now adjusted for that specific device. It's very simple to put the device back into the WANPOOL mount. Start with the bottom of the device first, push down, then angle the device back into the top mount and release. I found the WANPOOL mount to be extremely stable and sturdy. Since this mount is so easily adjustable, it can be used for a wide range of devices, including a Nintendo Switch. My daughter finds it very easy to use, so we bought a second one for the other vehicle. Hey everybody, thanks for watching my video. My name is Jerry. If you have any questions about the WANPOOL mount, drop them in the comments below. Today, I'm using something different for the microphone. I'm using the Rode Videomic ME-L. So let me know if it sounds any better or if you're interested in a review. Also, if you are interested in what I buy next, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time.